If you've ever wondered how to add banner ads to your WordPress website, maybe to promote an affiliate partner, showcase a sponsor, or even advertise your own products, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place eye-catching banners in just the right spot and make sure clicks are tracked to the right advertiser or link. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to walk through the simplest and most flexible method, manual banner placement using a built-in WordPress approach. This is perfect if you've got a specific image you want to display, such as an affiliate banner, a direct sponsor's ad, or even your own custom graphic. Let's start with the image itself. Find the banner image you want to use on your website. Maybe it's a 300x 250-pixel JPEG from your favorite affiliate program, or perhaps your sponsor sent over a sharp-looking PNG. Either way, in your WordPress dashboard, look for Media in that menu on the left. Click it, then hit Add New. Drag and drop your banner image right here or use the file picker. Give it a moment to upload. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this can take a few seconds. Once it's done, click on that image to open up its details. You'll see a Copy URL to Clipboard button. That's the direct link to your image, and you'll need it in a moment, so go ahead and copy that. Now on to placing the banner where your viewers will actually see it. This is where widgets come in. Head to the Appearance section of your dashboard and choose Widgets. WordPress uses widgets to control different sections of your site, like the sidebar, header, or footer. Think of these spots like the billboards and posters of your website. If you want your ad front and center, the sidebar is a great choice, but you might also pick the footer for a more subtle approach. Here, what we'll do, find the image widget in the available widgets list. Just drag and drop it into the sidebar area or whichever widget area makes sense for you. When you click on that widget, you'll see options to select or upload an image. Click Add Image, then choose the banner you brought in earlier or paste the URL you copied. Adjust the title if you want, but that's optional. Sometimes it's better to leave it blank for a cleaner look. Now this step is key. You need the banner to actually work as an ad, not just a picture. So scroll down to the link field, paste in the advertiser's destination URL here. This is the link that your sponsor, affiliate, or even you want visitors to go to when they click the banner. Be careful to copy the whole URL, including the https:// part to make sure it works. If you don't see a link field with the image widget, you can always use the text widget instead. Just click the text tab and paste in a bit of HTML code. An anchor tag with your advertiser's link, wrapped around an image tag linking to your banner image. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. Take your time and feel free to pause or rewind the video as needed. Once you've filled in the details, click Save, and then visit your site to see your banner in action. Take a few moments to test the banner, click it yourself and make sure it goes where you want. If something doesn't look right, double-check the image URL and the link, and that's it. You've manually placed a banner ad on your WordPress site using only the built-in tools, keeping you in full control. This process is a fantastic way to get started with site monetization, highlight sponsors, or even cross-promote your own content, all without relying on extra plugins or complicated code. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment with any questions you have. If you want more straightforward WordPress tips and practical tech walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.